Well, good morning, quilters. How are you doing today? This is Donna. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics, man. I had got this um as a little kit for a mystery quilt that I did, and I liked the fabric so much. And I'd never done a mystery quilt before. I didn't use them. I used the other one that I'd purchased because I liked these so much. I didn't want to screw them up. And I mean, look at this. You got kind of like the pastels, and then you got the darks in here. I don't know how many there are in this actual line. This kind of orange, and orange is not my color, but oh my goodness, I even like that. And this purple, and then this blue. I fell in love with these, and this one, if I could get a yard, I probably would, although my husband would, he probably wouldn't like it too much. But, and one thing about this, this is the Vibe uh, Mottled Blenders by QT Fabrics. And I knew that I loved this colorway. And I'm like, I think I have something that's close or spot on something. And then I was looking through my stash and I found, look at this. Oh my goodness, doesn't this work? This is actually QT Fabrics too. This is from 2018. Sorry, not 1918, 2018. And I will say, this fabric seems a little thicker than the current, but they're still both quality fabrics. But oh my goodness. And where's it at? This line seems to kind of go with some grunges too. So as I build up my grunge line, I'm definitely going to be getting some of these. I don't know if they've got 30, 40 fabrics in the line, but I definitely see me getting one or multiple yards of all of them. And there's some that I probably will get a bolt of at some point in time because I just like them that much. Get these all up. Back here, we got the orange, the red. Yep. So as that is going along, I thought, since these are going to be my new blenders, and I will use them with the grunge, but for certain things, it's just going to pop. For example, and this was a fabric I actually got at Walmart, but I liked this, and I can see this one, and maybe the orange, definitely the blue, the yellow. I mean, see how it's bringing out these background colors? I am in love. And if it wasn't for that one, whoops, I got my pinks, which, yeah, the two pinks together would be awesome. Let's give me ideas for quilts. But if that one wasn't enough, then I have been wondering what to do with this beautiful fabric for a long time. And isn't that a great blender? Or that one? This one? That? Oh my goodness. This one? They're just so perfect. And if I take any of the grunge with it, it's just, I think, going to bring it over the top. But if you haven't checked out this line, next time you're at your local quilt store, if you should see it, look at it. I mean, to me, it has a tremendous amount of possibilities. They carry this colorway. There's at least two or three other lines. One of them kind of looks like wood. I've seen, I don't know if it's little dots or something, but I've seen two or three other, I guess, lines. It's probably different years of this fabric and all of the colorways that they have, so that going from year to year, you will be able to use them together, much like this. And I really like that. So I'm not afraid to buy that bulk because I know that going forward they're going to be making fabric that'll match it. So I'm a happy camper. Let me know what you think. Oh, and they have some other ones. Man, teal. Um, there's a denim, a real, I think it's a navy blue. There's a wine, a pomegranate, different color mauves, and they're just gorgeous, gorgeous line. So if you see it, and let me know if you're going to buy any and what you're going to use it with. I will talk to you later. Bye.